Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this pineapple on my severely heat damaged hair. And if I sound a little stuffy, I'm sorry. It's because my allergies have been going crazy. But yeah, just keep on watching to see how I got this pineapple. First, I'm starting out with a twist out that I did on my heat damaged hair. So as you can see, my ends are severely damaged. No need to comment. But yeah, you're just going to start out with a twist out however you like to do your twist outs. There's so many videos on YouTube on how to do a twist out. You can Google twist out and it'll show you exactly how to do it. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take out my twist out that I let dry overnight. So now that my twist out is taken down, I'm going to go in with some clip-ins. You couldn't have possibly thought that I wasn't going to use any clip-ins. But yeah, basically I start by clipping them kind of just like all around, honestly. Like if I'm clipping to the back of my head going up, I always reverse the clip-ins to go under. I really hope that makes sense. So instead of clipping it like straight across, you would just clip it upside down. Hopefully that makes sense. But that's only when you're clipping in the back. When you're clipping in the back and on the side. So you're gonna clip upside down just so that way it lays seamlessly. So after you get all your clip-ins placed where you want, I'm going to go ahead and I pinned a few just to make sure they're extra secure. Then I'm going to pull it up just like as if I was making a ponytail. And then I'm going to use a extra large rubber band, not rubber band, but like hair tie. And I didn't like that first one, so I'm going to redo it. But yeah, I'll link that extra large hair tie below so you guys can know where to get it. And then it just kind of lets your hair lay loose so you can get that pineapple look. And then I just kind of fluff around playing it, and then all those scraggly ends, I'm going to tuck them with bobby pins.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's basically it. Can't forget to add your hoop earrings. Y'all know I love me some hoops. But yeah, if you like this video and like how I did my pineapple, please comment and subscribe. Love you guys and see you in my next video. Bye.